Another successful day at Colwyn Bay Pride. Lots and lots of willing punters have been along to give us their opinions on these 5 questions, having their say. As you can see, most people have agreed with the statements that we've made in respect of Britain's membership of or non-membership of the European Union. We've also been handing out our Erasmus leaflets, offering people the opportunity to sign the petition to urge the government to support the return of the Erasmus scheme. And we've been giving out lots of badges, leaflets, telling people about the work we're doing. And we've also been very successful in selling the Wales for Europe badges and the EU wristbands, as well as giving out lots and lots of stickers. So, really good day, been really positively received by the public. The majority of those who spoke to us certainly seem to think that Britain would be far better off in the European Union and should never have left. Many thanks to Joe McDonald, John Radcliffe, Gareth Roberts and Karen, who've been doing sterling work helping us run this very successful stall today.